Oh, hey YouTube. It apparently we're just getting all the weather, and it's snowing. Eli's happy. Eli loves the snow. Ready? So we go from doing sandbags and rain to snowballs. Ready, Eli? Woo! So here's where you can see where we've had all that runoff from the water, but it's getting frozen. It's getting full of snow, you know. You're on YouTube.
Yep. Oh my god, the snow makes a nice sound.
I don't have anything. What's going on? Where's your snow?
Is it slippery?
No.
Oh.
But Eli really needs you to throw a snowball.
I'll make the best one for you, boy. Oh, it's fine. Here, let me make a good one. It's not the best, but it's fine. Oh, you actually eat it, Chris. Wait, I want to kind of step in this.
That's puddly.
I know. I want to step in it. See that? Oh. Cool. I want to eat the snow. Here. You eat it.
I don't have anything, Eli.
I'm gonna eat it. Good. Oh
Shelby's being
God.
stupid and going on her trampoline.
Oh, this is like so cool. Everything's blocked out, and it's like oh, that's so. This is so cool. Oh my god, this is a whole different world. This is so cool. Hi. Dad, this is so cool. Oh my god. Wait, I gotta make.
You're gonna be
Snow is
soaked.
It's so. Nope. Bye.
So this is where we had all those waterfalls and all the flooding and stuff, and you can see that it's still running off a little bit right there, you know, running out, but you know, obviously it's snow, squishy, yucky snow. So let's go see what Brandon's up to. Before we get to Brandon, I just had to share this view. It's so beautiful. All right, let's really go see what Brandon's doing now. Here's some little quail tracks. And then I guess they decided to have a little dance. Hey,
Hi, I'm making a snowman.
a snowman.
Yeah.
Kind of rainy now.
Look
Snow
at.
slide.
Oh yeah.
I'm making it for Dad because he's lonely. In here. In
That's
here.
what Snow Buddy.
Yeah. I just gotta put the buttons in the eyes, and I have no nose, so it's fine.
Oh, looks like you got the fire going.
Yeah. gonna take a.
Next to my friend Duraflame. It's a hell of
Yep.
a starter. And I got dry wood, so.
Bye-bye, snow.
Heat light
It's getting hot. All the snow was falling from the top.
Yeah.
My stick was frozen. I'm trying to defrost my walking stick.
Shelby's steaming, literally.
Quite
Yeah,
literally. Yep.
she is.
Look at that. Okay. That looks good.
Yeah.
Just gotta add the ice.
All right.
Okay. Fun snow day. Yay! So
Yay.
much excitement over around here.
I know.
Excitement.
Well, we're already starting to melt. It was fun while it lasted. Now I guess we'll just go back to rain. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.